Complex conjugates are defined to be complex numbers whose real part is the same number and whose complex part are opposite numbers. So in this case, we can see that 4 plus 8i is the conjugate of 4 minus 8i. In this example, we've been asked to multiply these two values, and we want to notice what happens when we multiply complex conjugates. So to multiply these, we can see we need to FOIL. So 4 times 4 would be 16. 4 times negative 8i would be negative 32i. 8i times 4 would be positive 32i. And then positive 8i times negative 8i would be negative 64i squared. We would then want to combine like terms. We have a negative 32i and a positive 32i that would cancel and combine to 0. On the last part, we have a negative 64i squared. In place of the I squared, we would want to substitute negative 1. So we would have 16, and then this would be plus 64, and 16 plus 64 is 80. Notice that the answer only has a real part. In other words, the imaginary part is 0, it's gone away, and we're only left with a real number value. This will always be the case when you're multiplying complex conjugates. The reason being is that these two terms will always cancel out since we have opposite signs but same numbers above. And then here you would always get an I squared, and so that I squared would change to a negative 1, leaving no imaginary pieces to my answer.